Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I went to Tuesday morning over the weekend and found a few goodies, so I wanted to come on and share with you what I picked up. I was really excited to find more of the Simple Stories emoji collection that I had been collecting, so I'm going to show you what I found. Alright, so this is the first package right here, and this is the decorative brads. And they're super cute, and they were $1.99, so I picked those up. I found these paper clips that go with the collection, and again, those were $1.99 as well, and they're just super cute. OMG LOL. I can't wait to put something together with that. I did find these really cute charms. I don't think they're with the other collection, but I can put it on a mini album. And this says, "It's a brand new day," and then this little charm says, "Hello." So I thought those are really cute. I did find the decorative clips, the emoji clips. And as you can see, the little pizza one has fallen off. I'll have to fix that. But again, coordinates with the collection. So I was excited that I found so many pieces of the collection over the weekend. I did find this Ephemeral pack, and it has all these little bits and pieces in it, so I can create a little mini album and have the embellishments to go along with it. I did find these little clips, and I just really liked the colors. It illustrates faith, and these are the little clips that you get, and I think this is, yeah, Boulevard. And I really like the texture of these clips and their products. It's just a nice quality product. So I can use these on traveler's notebooks and different things like that. And pink and teal kind of go with everything. So that's why I picked that up. And it was only $1.49. I did find the Simple Stories Emoji Love. Like this is like their whole pack. And I apologize for that horrible glare. But it comes with all these different little pieces and even some more ephemera. And this was $3.99, so I was happy to find that. And these are all of the little pieces that you get with it. So, and as you can see, you can put together a little scrapbook using it. So that is what I plan on doing. I really want to make something for my boys using these emojis. So that is the plan for that. And then I did find the chipboard stickers, same collection. And some of them have already been popped out, but they're all in here. They're just floating at the bottom of the package, which is fine. But really happy. It's rare to find like the entire collection of something. So good find there. And then I just picked up some thicker stickers. I always like picking these up, and they have like a pink foam on the bottom of them, and I just thought those were pretty, so I picked those up. And then I did find these little puffy stickers to go along with the Boulevard mermaid paper that I had picked up, I don't know, maybe a week or two ago. That goes with that. Some other fun finds. I found these little stickers right here. They're 3D stickers, and they're hearts, really pretty in silver. I did pick up some double-sided tape. It's only $1.49. I have been using this, and it works excellent, so I went ahead and picked up another roll. I found these Heidi Swap wooden like pieces that you can embellish. This one says "Hello Sunshine," and that says "Best Ever," and they were each $1.49. And I figured I could incorporate that definitely on a scrapbook layout, or maybe on the cover of a scrapbook or something, some type of project. I did find these pom-pom makers, and I actually do have them, but I just wanted to pick them up. I wanted to have an extra set. So I just picked them up, and they were $3.99. And then what else did I find? I did find these Maggie Holmes stickers, and they were $1.49 each. And I just picked up 2. And they have all these different sentiments and words on there. And I like the rose gold, and it also comes with gold. Really pretty. I'm sorry for that glare. And then I did find these little bottles, and you get 10 of them. And they were $2.99, and I figured these would be great for the embellishment boxes to add little sequins or just little bits and pieces inside little bottles and then included in the box. So I picked those up. And then I did run into Dollar Tree, and this was like the only thing I found at Dollar Tree, but I just thought they were really cute. I had taken my boys to the movies over the weekend with their friends, and we always go into Dollar Tree and grab candy before we go into the movies. And then we always end up spending like 50 bucks on popcorn and drinks anyway, but you know, it helps that they can go in and get the, you know, the candy from the Dollar Tree. But anyway, so I found these super cute unicorns. They're keychains, and I figured this would be fun to include in one of my like little unicorn projects when I, you know, give it to somebody, like a unicorn themed project. So anyway, super cute, purple and pink. So if you find these, I would grab them. This would be really cute to put on some packaging, I think. So that is my quick share for you today. I hope to get out some projects this week and share with you. I have been creating, so just stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.